Hello everyone, continue to modeling mezzanine floor. Model, click on the structure, the wall once, double click. Click on columns, and the top of the wall we finish it in the level 1. Start from the base to level 1. Change the design section. Okay, keep it 300. You can change the rotation to 90 degrees. Select the beam. Use a composite beam. Now we start a non-composite beam first. I will add a new module how to add aesthetic in IS code. Click on the section, change it. Create edit, create in field 3. Select, click on the auto design option. This will be auto design and optimize section for you. No matter, you can select a small section. It's not part, the software will be automatically update this section. Now we use the top plane continuous restraint. Model, use slab on beam. Change the overall thickness to 130. Enter. The concrete grade 25. And change the direction to way slab to one way slab. Okay, now it's correct. Check on 3D. Yes, complete for the mezzanine floor. Thank you for your watching. We will continue to model roofs and wall panel.